How to change outfits using ChatGPT. So if you have an image with a specific outfit like this, which you might be using for marketing or stuff like that, you can actually change the outfit using ChatGPT if you drag the image and attach it to a new conversation. Now to edit the image, you can simply write a prompt like this. For example, I want you to edit this image, remove the black jacket and add a backward black fitted cap. And then you can simply send the prompt and wait for it to edit the image. And you can also ask it to add clothes or remove other clothes if you want to. And it just finished generating the result. As you can see, this is the original image. And this is the edited image. As you can see, it removed the black jacket. You can also ask it to change the outfit to a denim outfit, for example. And it just finished generating. And as you can see, the result here is looking pretty good. And it maintained the same pose and the same facial details from the previous images. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.